Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm going to show you the new features that are available in the Pro version of the Review Wizard WordPress plugin. So as you can see in the main settings, there are a couple of new options. The first one is the ability to customize the colors of your review box to your exact detail. So you can actually use the color picker to pick the color of the review box, the color of the text, and the color of the call to action bar should you choose to use it. There are also several more star options that you can select. This will allow you to have a much greater control over the look and feel of your review box in the reviews that you write. If we go to the in-post editor, there are a couple of new options here as well, and I'll go over each one individually. The first one is the product name. Now this is required for the Google review schema. If you want to use the Google review schema to maximize your SEO traffic, you need to enter in the product name that you're reviewing in order to be compliant with Google's requirements. So go ahead and enter in the product name right here in order to maximize the SEO traffic and your rankings with Google. The second new feature included in the Pro version is the ability to include social share buttons. So you can turn these on or off by simply selecting yes or no, and these will automatically put in social share buttons underneath your review box. So let me go over and take you to an actual test review so you can see what these look like. So here's my test review, and I have the social share buttons turned on, and you can see that Review Wizard Pro will automatically create a Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and LinkedIn share button for you, so that way people can share your posts and share your reviews on social media. Third is the Facebook description and the Facebook image URL. The Review Wizard WordPress plugin will automatically generate Facebook Open Graph tags that it puts inside of the HTML of your review. However, you need to enter in the description and the image URL for people that post or share on Facebook. The description is very easy. Simply enter in a description of what the product is that you're reviewing and the content of your post. For the image URL, all you need to do is enter in the URL of an image that you want to be associated with your review. To find an image, what I like to do is go over to Google and search for an image. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Now this is exactly how I find the images that I use for my Facebook image URL. All I need to do is go over to Google, make sure I'm in the images section right here, type in a keyword that I want to search for. In this example, I'm just searching for the word awesome, and you can see I will find a lot of images on Google. Simply click on an image that I like, then right click on the image and select View Image. You want to make sure that the image URL up in your browser navigation ends in .jpg or .png. If it doesn't end in one of those, then it's not going to be a valid image that Facebook can use. Provided it does end in .jpg or .png, all you need to do is then copy and paste the URL that's in your browser and put it in the Review Wizard plugin. The last new feature that the Pro version has is the on-exit intent pop-up. And what this does is it detects when the user is moving their mouse to the top of the browser window, which is generally going to be to either click the back button or to type a new URL in the browser button. When it detects that the user is doing this, it assumes the user is about to leave the page and then shows them a pop-up message to try to get them to stay on the page or redirect somewhere else. In order to use this feature, simply enter in the pop-up message that you want to display, and then enter in the URL that you want to redirect them to if they choose to stay on the site. And generally what you'll do is ask them to stay on the page and then redirect them to a special offer or redirect them to a squeeze page if they choose to stay, so that way you can capture their email or integrate with them some other way, as opposed to just having them bounce away and being lost forever. So that's a quick overview of the additional features available in the Pro version of the Review Wizard plugin. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm always glad to be of assistance when I can. Thank you and enjoy.